Boom, everybody, it's your boy, Daily Dose of Love. Welcome back to the channel, man. Hope you guys are having a great day. First of all, I want to say thank y'all for stopping by. Appreciate it, much love. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you. If this is your second, third, fifth returning time, whatever, thanks y'all for stopping by again. Much love. I appreciate you guys. As you all can see, we got the 4Runner sitting behind us. Super excited about today, man. Got new content coming up for you guys. I got a couple trips planned, but in the meantime, been doing some installs. So what do we got going on today? I know some of you guys have probably already seen the title, right? Nonetheless, what we are going to be doing today is installing the C4 rear hatch ladder on the 5THGEN. So, as you guys know, before one of my previous videos, I had the Gobi roof rack, I had the ladder and whatnot. So we got rid of the Gobi roof rack, got rid of the ladder with it, and we went ahead and jumped on the Prinsu roof rack, and then now we got the C4 ladder. And we're going to install that, so therefore that will look very nice when the C4 rear bumper gets here in the future. But let's go ahead and install the ladder and give you guys a couple of updates on what is going on with the 4Runner and where it's at. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, let's go. As you guys can see, so we got the rear hatch ladder for the 4Runner from C4. Was super impressed by it, the quality of it, the way it looks, packaging. Again, big thing for me. And customer service has been fantastic, man. They've been in contact with, even with the way things have been the last year when it comes to supplies and inventory and demand and whatnot. They've been doing a fantastic job at communicating what they're at on orders, what the process is, and delays and things like that. So I think like right now, that's probably the biggest thing to me is customer service, and I always talk about that. But again, I do that for a living. So for me, if customer service lacks, it's very hard to want to spend my money, my hard-earned money with those companies that lack that. You can have a superior product, but if your customer service and support isn't there to back it up, kind of hard to want to put my money there, right? So that's why I went with the C4 ladder, and super impressed by the quality, the powder coating that it came with. And instructions and everything online, man, super fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a high-level overview of the install, put that together, and throw that on the 5THGEN. And with in addition to the ladder, I also went with 2 accessory steps, like little side steps to it. So I'm gonna throw that on there. But super excited about that. But in the meantime, let me show you guys something. I didn't really get a chance to vlog this the other day, but your boy got some new meats. We got some new tires on the 4Runner. Look at that. Look how much wider these things are. These are 295/70 17s, of course, but look at that. Let's see if we can get the look there. They are sticking out as wide as the sliders, or as far as the sliders, I should say. So man, these things are girthy. Let's see what it looks like from the back. Give it a rear end look. This picture might not do much justice actually, but boom, we went with an MT tire. So super excited about that, guys. But check it out, there they are. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and put together the ladder. So it's gonna be real simple. It looks like all we gotta do is just mount the sides together, put the steps in, and then we shall go ahead and work on mounting the ladder to the hatch. Let's do that. Boom. So got the steps put together. So one big reason why I did go with the Gobi steps versus the others, or not the Gobi, why I like this ladder over the Gobi is that if you look at these steps, they are flat from the top, and they did send this cool little, not cool I wouldn't say, but this rubber weather stripping to kind of slide in the slot, and so it kind of gives it a little bit of a traction if you do have to get up on the ladder, just kind of stand up on it. So super excited about that. So pretty cool. And I guess really if you wanted to, I mean, I guess you could take these out and you could probably slide some sort of a carriage bolt in here and put accessories on here, almost like an extrusion bar. So that's pretty exciting. And here's the other steps I was talking about. So I bought 2 of these additional ones. These will kind of sit on the outside of the ladder, and they got these little cutouts, these little grooves to kind of give you some traction for your feet, or your shoes, I should say, also. So like these are pretty cool, right? But now we're gonna go ahead and put the ladder together. We are going to slide what is this piece, should by default sit on the outside like this to give it some sort of, give it a cool, good little look like this. So let's go ahead and put the steps on and put this together. So I guess from the instructions, the way this is going to work is we'll put the steps together, we'll put both steps to this, and then we will mount the top part, or the top mount tray, to the top of the hatch, and then we'll mount the bottom attachment and to the bottom of the door, and then that should be it. Pretty simple install, but like I said, cool little ladder. Do I see myself getting up on the ladder? Maybe if I have to climb up there to grab something off the rack, and that's probably the most. I don't really see it to maybe get me all the way up to the top. So I don't really see myself climbing up there, but I do see myself maybe climbing 1 or 2 steps to get up to the top, or to be able to grab something off the rack, or arrange stuff off the rack. So pretty excited about that. Or you know what, I might also have to use it in case I'm stuck somewhere and having to use the ladder to kind of climb over the truck somehow, or climb around it. So we'll see. But nonetheless, I am pretty excited about the quality of the build of this ladder, the looks of it on the 4Runner. I mean, it looks really great, honestly. So let's go ahead and put it together, and we'll get started with that. Okay guys, so we got the main part of the ladder put together. So now we just got to put a couple of the foam pieces, or the double-sided foam piece to the aluminum piece that comes with it, and then the double-sided tape will go onto the actual mounting plate, which will mount to the hatch. So let's go ahead and slap that on there so we can get the hatch put together. All right guys, so we got the double-sided tape on both pieces, got on the mounting plate for the top and for the bottom. So now we're gonna go ahead and mount the actual mounting plate, which is this piece, to the top of the hatch. And then we should be able to mount the ladder, and then we will finish off with the bottom piece here. So let's knock that out. All right, let's see here. All right guys, so we got the measurements. So from this edge to this, or the outside of the tape, it should be about what is 9 1/4. Or 9 1/4, as you'd like. And then, so I get this for you guys on this side, from this end of the spoiler, or this side of the spoiler, all the way to here, on this side, on this end of the tape, I should say, or this side of the tape end, or whatever, should be 3 inches, and that's what we're gonna use to guide us with mounting the ladder. So now we just gotta mount the actual accessory, or the mounting plates to the ladder, and that should allow us to mount this side to here. And as usual guys, it's getting dark, but nonetheless we're finishing this up. So got the ladder put together. Now we're gonna go ahead and let me show you guys. Hope the light doesn't blow it out too much, but got a piece of cardboard here holding it down, about to take, just test fitting it. Got it lined up with the tape here. And then this should hold it in here tight. Make sure that this is super tight against the actual, what is hatch, to make sure it doesn't hit or anything. As you can see, you got a scratch from out riding some trails, but gonna go ahead and pull this back off, remove all the double-sided sticky tape on the bottom of this piece, and then this should keep it tight, which that should allow us to now mount it to the bottom of the hatch. So let's knock that out real quick. All right guys, so it is pretty much finally bolted together. Something to put one step here. What do you guys think? One here, and maybe the other one, we'll place it right here. Oh, kind of lights in the way, but we'll place it right here, which will be kind of in the middle, the way of the tag. But once I get the rear bumper, the tag will eventually go on the rear bumper, so we're good. So one step here, and like I said, the other one right about there. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy together, and then we'll finish the last touches and be good to go. Boom, guys, we are officially done. There you guys go, as you guys can see. Got the ladder on there. We are rocking and rolling. Got the badging put on. Boom. Look fantastic, better than ever. Got the steps on. I love it. There you go. And there is the ladder. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As usual, ran into a late night, but nonetheless got the official project officially done. happy to have my ladder back on, or a ladder I should say. It's a very, very beautiful ladder, man. I love it, man. Great instructions on behalf of C4, man. Website, their PDF, the video they themselves have is pretty straightforward, so can't really go wrong with it. Very sturdy, very well built. I love it. And so now we just gotta wait for that rear bumper. But in the meantime, I appreciate you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys got something out of it. If you did, hit that like button for me. If you guys are interested in the C4 ladder, man, have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to give you guys any feedback that I do have on it. Other than that, man, if you guys know anyone that is interested in it, share the video, let them know what's going on, man. I though have to go walk my dog before it gets too late. Got to work in the morning, got to work the grind. So with that being said, y'all know what to do. Follow your path. Peace.